Welcome to my video of me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you'll enjoy it today with another unnecessary repair. So long story short, years ago I took my car to a workshop to replace the door checks because they start to make a squeaking and creaking noise. And now that I have learned more about my Land Cruiser and working on it, I realized the idiots actually put them wrong. The left side door check was placed on the right side and vice versa. And then I decided to take everything apart and put everything where it's supposed to be. And here's what I got right now. The doors start to make popping noise. Yeah. Now sometimes this can be fixed by some lubrication, so I brought white lithium spray grease and I sprayed the hell out of this door check, but it made no difference. And as much as I didn't wish to pay unnecessary expenses, I got myself a brand new OEM door check. So yeah, let's get down to replacing this side first. So as always, safety first. Put on your gloves to protect your hand from the grease. Let's get down to it. So the first step will be to remove the door panel out of the way. I'm not gonna film the process about removing it again, save time. So if you don't want to learn or you don't know how to do it, you can watch my video about removing the door panel, and I'll put the link of this video in the description of this video. So to get access to the door check from the back, we will remove the speaker. So let's undo this connection. Next, let's unscrew these 3 screws. Then the speaker just come off, but if you have never removed your speaker before, it will be stuck on the door, so it may require you more force. For me, come off no problem because I removed it before. Here's the door check from the back. Let's remove this dust cover, just come off easily. Next, open the door all the way, and let's remove this bolt. It's 10mm. This bolt is thread locked from factory, so it takes some serious force to remove it, but for me it's no problem because I already removed it before. Next, let's remove these 2 nuts. They're also 10mm. Okay, so let's take the door check out. What a waste of part. So here are my brand new OEM door checks for the rear doors, left and right. As you can see, they have different part numbers, which means they're not the same. Similar but not the same. Another way to tell the difference is that the left door check has number 3 engraved here, and the right door check has number 4 there. And yeah, actually if you take this and the left door check, you take it and flip it over, it can fit on the right door. That's how those idiot mechanics got these wrong for me and ruined them. So if your mechanic tells you they're the same, it makes no difference, you can put them on each side. My advice to you is take it from his hand, start your car and drive away. So for the left door check, that's the part number. So replace your door check and replace the nuts and tighten them. I don't know if these nuts and this bolt have any torque specs. I checked already, didn't find any. So I will just go by feel. Then make sure your door is fully open and replace this bolt. Use some blue thread locker considering using it. I don't have it, so I will maybe in the future remove this bolt again, use some blue thread locker here, and then retighten everything. Here we go. Let's put the dust cover back. Next, replace your speaker. Tighten the screws lightly, don't over-tighten them because you will strip this plastic. Reconnect it and then replace the door panel. I'll do it later because I'm still working here. So now the fun part, let's test the new door check. It's not fun for me because I wasted parts thanks to those idiot mechanics. Let's see if it will pop. No, thank God. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep it on the cruises happy and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.